The 2025 Maserati MC12 marks the rebirth of one of the most legendary names in supercar history, blending Italian design flair with cutting-edge performance. At first glance, the MC12's exterior commands attention with a sculpted silhouette that cuts through the air like a blade. The low-slung front fascia is aggressively styled, housing razor-sharp LED headlights and an aerodynamic splitter designed for maximum downforce. The wide stance, flowing lines, and prominent Maserati trident make a bold statement: this is a car that doesn't just arrive, it dominates. The 2025 Maserati MC12's seats offer race-grade support with luxurious comfort, combining Alcantara and leather, ergonomic contouring, and advanced cushioning for long drives and high-speed stability. The 2025 Maserati MC12 dashboard features a sleek digital display, carbon fiber trim, intuitive controls, and performance-focused design, blending high-tech functionality with Italian craftsmanship for an immersive driving experience. Under the hood, the MC12 is powered by a ferocious 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine derived from Maserati's Nettino platform, pushing out over 740 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the MC12 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.8 seconds. An active aerodynamic system, carbon ceramic brakes, and a lightweight monocoque chassis ensure it delivers sharp handling and stability, whether on the street or the track. With a top speed north of 210 miles per hour, the MC12 doesn't just revisit its heritage, it redefines it. At the front, every element serves a purpose. Large front air intakes cool the brakes and engine, while the hood features sculpted vents to channel airflow efficiently. The entire design emphasizes performance without sacrificing elegance, ensuring the 2025 MC12 continues the legacy of its iconic predecessor with modern ferocity.